In order to download Paper on Apex hosting, the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to your server panel. Then you need to make sure that your server is offline. Then go down, and where it says game file, please go ahead and select on this. And then from here, you're able to go ahead and select on Paper, and then select on it. And then from there, it is going to give you a warning. So changing your server version to Paper will overwrite your existing mods, plugins, and configuration files with the new ones from this version. So if you want to preserve your existing files and enable seamless switching between configurations, you will need to create a new server panel instead. But nonetheless, you're able to go ahead and change your version. Then it is going to ask you to create a new world. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a new world right over here just for simplicity purposes. And then afterwards, go ahead and select on restart now. Then it is going to restart your server. And then once it is finished, then you are good to go. Now, once you have Paper, you can actually go ahead and install like plugins, for example. For example, you can go to the select menu, select on plugins list, and then you can go ahead and find some plugins to go ahead and add. So from there, you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.